Alright, cool. You made it to video 2. And let's do a little bit of voiceover now. Let me just tell you what I'm doing. Again, we're using our Turtle Wax compound, and because we're not using the high-speed buffer, the professional style that we'd like to use, it's taking a long time. Like I said, this whole process took at least 20 to 25 minutes doing what I'm doing right here. Okay, so it's just monotonous over and over and over and over, buffing out the same section with compound. So what we do is put some compound on it, go over it over and over and over until the scratch buffs out. Okay, like I said, we didn't have any sandpaper. It would have made it easier if we had a little bit of 1500 grit, 2000 grit to sand that scratch out a little bit and then buff it, but we didn't have any. Okay, so it's just over and over. Make sure you watch your edges. You don't want to hit paint or just burn it, because you could quickly burn paint. Because this is a flat panel, it's going to be hard to actually burn paint unless you just put the whole drill on an angle and you just gouge into the paint, but we're not doing that. Alright, so that's how you do something do-it-yourself style. If you don't have a buffer, you could use a drill with one of these adapters for these little buffing pads. But I highly recommend it if you're going to be doing a complete project or doing something for a business, or a buffer is going to cost you about $100 to $150 for a good high quality buffer. And pick up a foam pad, a wool pad, and some good compound, alright? And you'll be repairing scratches like nothing, and you'll be in business. It'll be a lot easier than this process with the right tools. But as you can see, even if we don't have the right tools, we can make things happen. Now we just put a little coat of wax application to it and wipe it off. I'm showing you the wax process here, but before this, if you have the tools and the material, you'd want to go over it with your foam pad with your glaze compound. Alright, this was just a shortcut because we didn't have the proper materials. We just waxed it and wiped it off and called it a day. It was done. Alright, but if you check out the color sanding and buffing videos and the video course, the main video course and the main ebook, we actually show you that the best way to get the highest gloss is to foam pad it and then wax it by hand. Alright, but again, we're just showing you that this stuff can be done with some tools, just basic household tools. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little series, and I'll see you in the next videos. Have a great day. Bye. Okay, so if you remember, we had scratches up in here and all along this side, about 8 inches worth. Now you see no scratches.